This is a certified pre-owned 2013 Lincoln MKS. It's powered by all-wheel drive, a 3.7-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. With fewer than 15,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Every Lincoln certified pre-owned vehicle is meticulously inspected to deliver peace of mind. Enjoy the confidence of our 200-point inspection, 24-hour roadside assistance, and a 6-year, 100,000-mile comprehensive limited warranty coverage on more than 500 components. The features include leather seats, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Ford Sync voice activation, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, remote start, steering wheel controls, memory seats, premium rims. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, curtain head airbags, side airbags, rain sensing wipers, independent suspension, brake assist.
Be confident in your purchase with an AutoCheck Vehicle History Report, the industry's trusted vehicle history provider.
Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Sunshine Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 40 Route 17K, Newburgh, New York 12550.